Okay. So, hello everyone. Nandito naman po ang inyong lingkod para po magbigay ulit ng further or deeper explanation about our enhanced loyalty. Okay? So, sa mga hindi nakaintindi doon sa in-explain ko nung unang video ko, i-explain ko po ulit. So, ngayong May po, starting May, wala po talaga tayong matatanggap na bonus product. Okay? But, the good news is, mag-iipon po tayo this May ng credit points for redemption. So, ang ginawa ng company, kumbaga, i-convert, okay? I-convert yung bonus product into redemption. Kasi nga, sa sinabi ko, ang iba gusto ng ganitong bonus product, yung iba ayaw. So, yung iba naman, pag medyo hindi maganda yung bonus product, so maghahanap ng iba. So, para maging maganda para sa lahat, okay, ang ginawa ng company, wala nang bonus product, pero pag nag 150 LP ka within this month of May, bibigyan ka ng company ng 15% back of our loyalty, okay, ibabalik sa atin, plus 35 LP. Okay? So, yung 15%, ita-times mo yun sa 150 LP, ang result po niyan is 22.50. Ira-round off natin, magiging 23 LP na siya. Okay? Magiging 23 credit points. So, that credit points, since you are 150 LP, it will be added a 35 LP or credit points para magiging 58 credit points or loyalty points. So, kailan makukuha yung product? So, pag place ninyo nga ng loyalty, wala po ngayong product, hindi nyo pa makukuha dahil ang ibibigay pa lang po sa inyo ng company is the loyalty points or credit points. Okay? So, ang mangyayari niyan, pagka June po, okay, maglo-loyalty po tayo, nabubulol ako. So, maglo-loyalty po tayo pagka June, isasabay natin i-redeem yung naipon nating 58 plus yung natira ninyong redemption. Okay? Or credit points. Katulad sa akin, may natira pa akong 17 points yata. Yes? So, may natirang, 14 points. May natirang 14 points sa akin. Pag loyalty ko ngayon ng 150 LP, I have automatic 58 loyalty points or credit points. Plus 14, okay, 58 plus 14, magkano na yun siya? So, magiging 72. Tama ba? Ay, 62. 58 plus, yeah, oo. Mahina tayo sa math, no? So, pasensya na kayo. Basta, yun na magiging resulta. And then, ang mangyayari po dyan, by June, pag place nyo ng loyalty, saka nyo po mariredeem yung doong nakuha ninyong loyalty points or credit points sa previous months, which is itong May. Okay? So, pang mag-loyalty kayo ngayon, walang bonus product, pero merong credit points na 58 LP coming from 15% sa 150 plus 35 loyalty points. Kaya, naging 58. So, walang product ngayon, pero next month, that's the time na mariredeem po ninyo. So, ngayon, mag-iipon pa lang po tayo ng ating credit points or loyalty points. That's why, wala tayong magiging bonus product or redemption product ngayon. So, ang advantage lang, pag may naiwan o manatira kayong points this month, i-add on yung 58, malaki yung makukuha ninyo, makakapili kayo ng mas marami pang product. But, I'll have to tell you that our redemption, especially yung may mga surcharges, okay? Dahil ang expectation ko, ang Illumilotion is nasa 8 LP lang or 8 credit points. But, naging 18 siya. So, bakit siya naging 18? Yung ating bibilhin na Illumilotion, instead of 200 plus, nasa 100 plus lang siya. Yung 100 plus, ikinarga yung surcharge doon mismo sa credit points or sa loyalty points. That's why, ang 8 plus 10, nagiging 18. So, if you're going to redeem a lotion, hindi na po siya 8 LP or 8 credit points. It is already 18 credit points. So, yun po yun. So, don't look at the negative side, okay? Just look at the bright side. Kasi, syempre, pag may pagbabago, may transition yan. So, medyo, hindi pa natin na-adapt agad, okay? But later on, pag once na na-use na tayo doon, of course, maganda talaga pag naglo-loyalty tayo because we can choose already the products that we wanted to maintain. Okay? So, pwede natin ma-maintain yung mga products na gusto natin. If you wanted to maintain Transfer Factor Plus, then you can buy the Transfer Factor Plus for only 400 plus through redemption. So, since you have 58, and that is 55 LP, so kayang-kaya na siyang i-maintain every month ang Transfer Factor Plus or Glutamine Prime. Kagaya ko, ang Glutamine Prime, every month talaga yan. Dapat meron kami para sa family ko. That's the only way to protect my family. Since malaki naman ang sobra, pwede ko siyang dagdagan sa anong gusto kong idadagdag na product for redemption, from redemption. So, ang mangyayari po niyan is magiging magkakaroon na tayo ng gusto nating product na i-maintain every month. So, if you want to maintain Transfer Factor Plus, then you can maintain it kasi you have 58 LP or credit points or loyalty points. Or gusto mong Glutamine Prime, which is 40 LP or loyalty points or credit points, then you can have that every month. So, you don't have the reason na you don't want to have loyalty because you don't like the bonus. So, you can choose any bonus or products that you wanted to maintain for your health. Okay? So, para sa akin, gusto ko yon kasi malaki na yung aking redemption kasi sa totoo lang, pag mag-ipon pa tayo yung 23 points sa 150, it will take 2 months pa before ako makakabili ng Glutamine Prime through my redemption. So, the usual is, kinakarga ko na siya sa loyalty ko kasi matagal pang 2 months pang bubunuin ko para magkaroon ako ng monthly consumption ko ng Glutamine Prime. So, yun lang po. Sana po maintindihan natin kung ano yung purpose ng ating enhanced loyalty. Para po lahat, pag nag 150 po lahat, okay? Pag nag 150 po lahat, under na kayo sa Premier Loyalty, and you can have the advantage to get some perks, some freebies na galing sa company na ipamimigay if you are a member of Premier Loyalty. So, pag hindi ka 150, walang 35 LP, pero meron kang 15% na credit points. So, let's say you are below 50. Let's say 100 ka lang. So, 15% 15 credit points lang makukuha mo sa 15% ng 100. Okay? Pero kung na 150 ka, that is plus 35, plus 15% galing sa iyong loyalty na worth 150 or pataas. The more na mas malaki, the more mas marami or mas malaking credit points plus 35. So, mas marami kayong mabibili doon sa monthly redemption ninyo. So, the purpose of this is for you to have a loyalty monthly so that you will enjoy the products that you are maintaining for your health. So, ganun po yun siya. So, I hope maintindihan ninyo at embrace the transition, the pagbabago, okay? The system, the new system of our loyalty program. So, I hope wag nyong tignan yung negative side. Look at the bright side. Okay? So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat.